I got a new K&N air filter, high flow air filter, for my 2010 Honda Sh150i scooter. I didn't really want the K&N air filter. I would have taken any air filter, but because they only brought this scooter to the United States for 1 year, there is not an abundance of parts to be had. So if I wanted an air filter, this was my only choice. And this was around $75 shipped to my home. So by default, I had to get it. They sent me a sticker if I want to advertise their brand for free. Stop, do not discard. Washable, reusable air filter. So I should stick that on there so if I ever sell this bike, the next person knows. And they sent me some instructions. See if we can follow these instructions. Don't tell my wife that I was following instructions. She won't believe you anyway. Let's cover on.
Gear oil.
So there's the old one.
Pretty dirty. So these, yours is actually cleaner than mine. And if you wanted to remove this, this is something that Honda could have done.
Yeah.
Replaceable.
That would have been nice. It says, remove the stock air filter. Remove the O-ring from the groove. It's cut right here, right?
Yeah.
I'll cut you. Go.
You have an air filter now that will last the lifetime of the bike. That rubber is so thick, it's so like you can push it and screw it in and it'll still seal it. But it would be nice if they made it perfect.
Yeah.
I mean, you're paying quite a bit for the privilege of K&N. K&N
Yeah.
should be a good aftermarket brand.
They're charging perfect.
Yeah.
Power.